Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve jump button on AliExpress app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can go to AliExpress, you can uninstall your app, and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.